So welcome back students. So now we are going to do or continue our chapter, which is chapter number 6, ratio, proportion and unitary methods. In our previous two lectures we have covered these two portions, which is ratio and proportion. So today we are going to continue with our next topic, which is unitary method, right? So here we have written a unitary method. So what is unitary method? That unitary method is to unite or to a value of 1 unit. Okay, so here you can say the value of a unit is considered in this method. For example, if you have given value of many books, so first what is according to unitary method you have to find value of 1 unit. अगर आपको बुक्स की वैल्यू दे रखी है, जैसे कि इसमें आपको एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं, आपकी बुक्स में भी मेंशन्ड है that you have given a 1 dozen books which cost 720. 1 dozen बुक्स हैं उसकी कॉस्ट के 720. 1 डजन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 12 बुक्स. ओके, तो 12 बुक्स की वैल्यू जो है वो आपके पास में क्या है 720. एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ 1 बुक. सो वैल्यू ऑफ 1 बुक इज इक्वल्स टू 720 बाय 12, राइट? एंड व्हाट यू विल गेट? You will get 60 rupees each. Okay, so one book's value is 60 rupees. एक बुक की वैल्यू 60 है. So now you can calculate it for any number, right? जैसे अगर आपको दिया हो कि 10 बुक्स की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है, so you are going to multiply it by simply 10. So 60 into 10, which will give you 600 rupees, right? अगर आपको चाहिए 8 बुक्स की, तो you are going to multiply 60 by 8. For 7, 60 into 7. Okay, so ऐसे करते करते आप कर लेंगे. So what is unitary method? Unitary method is just to calculate value of a unit first. Okay, जो भी आपको क्वांटिटी दी है, जो भी आपको चीज़ दी है, उसकी पहले आपको एक यूनिट की वैल्यू निकालनी है. Then you can multiply it by further numbers for calculating many more units. Okay, so considering its example, here example 7 is a worker get 1625 rupees in 10 days, or a worker earn in 10 days is 1625 rupees. Okay, so now you have to calculate it for 18 days. So first we have to calculate it for 1 day, that how much it earn in 1 day. एक दिन में वो कितना कमाता है. Okay, so 1 day के लिए अपने पास में आएगा for 16 days they earn, sorry, for 10 days they earn 1625 rupees. So for 1 day he will earn 1625 rupees divided by 10, right? So he earns 162.5 rupees per day. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to calculate it for 18 days. So हमें क्या करना है, simply we will multiply this both sides by 18, है ना? कि इधर what will get 18 days and here we get the exact amount of value. Okay, so multiply. So for 18 days the value is 162.5 into 18. Okay, so then what is the multiplying term? What you will get is 2925 rupees. Okay, so you can check your answers in your answer books. Okay, in your books everything is mentioned and you have to solve other examples too. So now we are going to consider its exercise 5.3. So now here we have given to you that a shirt, particular shirt cost rupees 500. एक शर्ट की कॉस्ट जो है वो है 500 rupees. And what you have to calculate? You have to calculate it for 8 shirts. That how much 8 shirts cost? कि 8 shirts की जो वैल्यू है, जो रुपीज़ है, वो कितने हैं. मतलब कि अगर एक शर्ट 500 रुपये की है, 500 rupees, so 8 shirts कितने रुपीज़ की होंगी. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to apply unitary method and going to multiply it by 500, right? One shirt cost 500 rupees. 8 shirts cost, for calculating 8 we have to multiply both sides by 8. So what we have, 8 shirts is equals to 500 into 8 rupees, right? So 5 8s are 40, and here you have 2 zeros also, so you have 4000 rupees. Okay, so 8 shirts cost 4,000 rupees. Okay, so now moving to the next question, which is question number 9. So here you have given 2 dozen oranges cost rupees 36. So as we know, 1 dozen consists of 12 oranges, right? 1 dozen equals to 12. So 2 dozens equals to 24. 24 ही होंगे ना यहाँ पे. So 24 ऑरेंजेस की कॉस्ट जो है वो है 36 रुपीज. सो यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करेंगे 24 ऑरेंजेस आर ऑफ रुपीज 36. So what we are going to do? We are going to calculate value of 1 orange. So 1 orange cost 36 by 24, right? So divided by table of 12. So you will have 12 2 is 24 and 12 3 is 36. You will get 3 by 2. Here you have value of 1 orange. So now we have to calculate value of 36 oranges, means to say 3 dozens. Okay, so 36 orange we have to multiply both sides by 36, है ना, तभी अपने पास में आएगा. तो 36 oranges cost 3 by 2 into 36, right? यही होगा ना. So what we are going to do, हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to cancel these 2 and 36, and what we will have? 18. After cancelling it by 2, we will get 18. So what is the result? 36 oranges cost is 3 into 18, right? So 18 3 is a 54, right? So you can tally your questions, and other questions are also of same interest and same concept. बिल्कुल same है, यूनिटरी मेथड को ही आपको फॉलो करना है और इसके एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करनी है. So now this chapter is completed. So now we will meet in our next chapter. So thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.